Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to see metal flange tool or command in SolidWorks Sheetmetal. For that, let's go to File, click on New, and now let's select the part template. Let's go to front plane, click on Sketch, and now let's create a center rectangle from the origin. Now let's define the sketch. For that, let's go to Smart Dimension and let's define the length. Let it be 12 inches and the breadth, let it be 6 inches. Click on OK. Now exit the sketch and let's go to the sheet metal and let's choose base flange tab. Now the sketch has been modified into a sheet metal object having a thickness of 1/8 inch. If you want to modify the thickness, you can modify it over here. For this example, let it be 1/8 of an inch and let's make it OK. So here we have the sheet metal base. Now let's see how to use meter flange. For that, let's go to meter flange, and now here we have this message to select a plane or a planar face or an edge. So for the example, let's select this edge, click on this edge, and now using this edge we can define a sketch. So let's draw a sketch, a random sketch I'm drawing right now using this edge as the origin. And you can see here we have the origin for this sketch, and here the sketch we have. If you want to define the sketch, you can define it. Okay, so this is how you can define the sketch if you want. So the sketch has been defined, and now you can exit the sketch, and you can see here we have this meter flange. Now let's go into the meter flange properties. First of all, we have the parameters. It has already detected the sketch what we made. Now next what we see is use default radius. If you want to modify the radius, you can modify it by unchecking this box, and you can just modify the values. Okay, and next option we have is the flange position. So we have 3 positions. Let's see how to use these positions for the given example. And right now we have the side view. First of all, what we have is the inner position. So this is how it works. If you will select the inside position, the material will start from the inside of this edge. So this is the edge what we had. So the material will start to bend within this edge. Next is the outer position. So it is adding the material outside of this edge. You can see here we have this edge and material is getting added from the outer side. And next we have the bend outside. If you will click over here, you will see the bend will be created outside of this edge. So this is how it looks. And now next option what we have is start and offset. If you will see over to this flange, it has 2 edges, the first edge and the second edge. If you want to define or if you want to adjust this edge, we have the start and end offset. So let's see how to use this start and offset. Let's place some value, and you can see it is creating an offset from this edge for this meter flange, and same goes for the second direction. If you will modify the distance, it will again modify the meter flange from this particular edge. So this is how meter flange works in SolidWorks. If you want to flatten the part, you can just click on flatten, and you can see here we have the flatten pattern for the particular model. So this was all about the meter flange command or tool in SolidWorks Sheetmetal. Thanks for watching.